Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled amidst rolling hills, there existed a community renowned for their love of music and their deep appreciation for the principles of Zen. In this village, a remarkable choir of individuals came together to create enchanting melodies that touched the hearts of all who listened. This choir was unlike any other. Each member possessed a unique voice, capable of producing beautiful sounds that resonated with the souls of those who heard them. They were not professional singers, but ordinary villagers who had discovered the magic of harmony and unity through their shared love for music. The leader of this choir was a wise old man named Master Hikaru. He had devoted his life to the study of Zen and understood that true harmony could only be achieved when each individual played their part, contributing their voice to the collective whole. Master Hikaru believed that the choir was a microcosm of the world, and through their music, they could inspire others to embrace unity and cooperation. Every day, the choir gathered in the village square, beneath the shade of a mighty oak tree, to practice their art. They would close their eyes, take a deep breath, and with their hearts open, they would begin to sing. The voices would intertwine, soar, and blend together, creating a symphony that transcended words and touched the deepest corners of the soul. Word of the choir's captivating performances spread far and wide. People would travel from distant lands just to witness the harmonious melodies that flowed from their lips. The choir's fame grew, and they were invited to perform in grand concert halls and palaces, showcasing the power of unity through their music. But amidst the adoration and applause, the choir faced a daunting challenge. They received an invitation to perform at the Royal Music Festival, where they would be sharing the stage with other renowned musicians and orchestras from across the kingdom. The choir felt a mixture of excitement and trepidation, for they knew that maintaining their harmony amidst such grandeur would be no easy task. Master Hikaru gathered his choir members and shared his wisdom. He reminded them of their journey together, the countless hours spent practicing, and the unbreakable bond they had forged. He urged them to remain true to themselves and to remember that the true beauty of their music lay in their unity and cooperation. The day of the festival arrived, and the choir stood on a magnificent stage, surrounded by an audience eagerly awaiting their performance. The musicians and orchestras before them had showcased their individual brilliance, dazzling the crowd with their virtuosity. Now it was their turn to shine. As the choir took a deep breath, they felt a wave of nervous anticipation wash over them. But they closed their eyes, just as they always did, and began to sing. The village square disappeared, replaced by the grandeur of the concert hall, yet their hearts remained connected, bound by the threads of harmony and shared purpose. The choir's voices blended together seamlessly, each member trusting in the others, knowing that their contribution was essential to the collective whole. As they sang, their music soared, filling the air with a symphony that transcended boundaries and touched the souls of all who listened. The audience sat in awe, their hearts swelling with joy and inspiration. They witnessed the beauty of unity and cooperation unfolding before their eyes, embodied by the voices of the choir. It was a testament to the power of harmony, reminding them that when individuals come together with a shared purpose, something magical is created. And so, the choir's performance concluded, leaving the audience in a state of pure bliss. Applause erupted, filling the concert hall, and the choir members couldn't help but smile as they bowed in gratitude. They knew that their music had touched the hearts of those present, just as it had touched the hearts of their fellow villagers back in their serene village. Master Hikaru, with tears of pride and joy in his eyes, embraced his choir members. They had triumphed not only as musicians, but also as ambassadors of unity and cooperation. Their story spread far and wide, inspiring others to seek harmony and reminding them of the incredible power that lies within the collective spirit. From that day forward, the village's choir continued to sing, their melodies echoing through the hills, carrying the message of unity and cooperation to all who would listen. Their voices, forever blending together in perfect harmony, remained a shining example of the beauty that can be achieved when individuals come together as one.